Hello. Yeah, so this is one of the parts, that the actual oak stem has died, but this particular pod, this is the one that I pollinated. I did pollination. So this is it. I had it in a bag and had it covered because of the cold, and I just came in today to check on it, and it's still fresh and good. So I'm going to leave it maybe for 1 more week, so that it will help it mature on its own a little bit more. Yeah, this thing is still working, so I'm going to cover it and leave it here for 1 extra week. That's one. The other one is the ogo stem is also dead, but it's here. I covered it, so that I will give it time to also mature. So I just came in today to check on it. You see the ogo itself has all died. It has died, but the pod is still good. So I will cover it to prevent it from freezing, and then in a week's time I'm going to come bring out the seeds and maybe start